It's Curly Chris up in this thing. What's happening?
It's the way, it's the way, it's the way, it's the way that you, it's the way that you talk, way that you walk, way that you, way that you talk.
What's good, my family? What's up? What's up? It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so in today's video, oh, sorry, hold on. That's it. Y'all would get hot cocoa and put so much whipped cream in that thing. Like, I'm obsessed with the whipped cream, honestly. That's what I like the most, is the whipped cream, okay? So don't mind me in my video if I'm like sipping on a little drink. It's just hot cocoa. Look, sis ain't drunk, okay? Okay, y'all, so in today's video, I am showing you guys how to preserve your twist out. Because I didn't realize that it was such a unsolved question, but it seems like a lot of my subscribers and people on my Instagram, you guys only get like 1 or 2 days out of your twist outs, and that's scary. That is very, very scary. So if I'm doing my hair, sis, if I'm styling this hair, if I'm taking 3 hours to do it, it's gonna give me a good 5, 6 to a week, okay? I ain't about to do it for, 2 days, nah. So I'm gonna just show you guys how I preserve and prolong my twist outs. If you are not subscribed and part of the family, smash the button down below. Smash the button down below, okay? And also turn on your notifications so you know just when I post. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. So basically, whenever I do my twist outs, I get about a good 5 to 6 days out of my twist outs. This right here is day 3, almost day 4 hair. I took this out on Thursday, so I wore it Thursday, Friday, today is Saturday, and it's Saturday night. So this is 3 days of my twist out, okay? And my hair looks really, really good. This is on day 3 hair, y'all. So basically, oh, and by the way, if y'all wondering, this is it's a cardigan. I don't have on half a shirt or half a sweater. So basically, I'm gonna be sharing my tips with y'all on how I prolong my twist out. Tip 1, the thing that I do guys at night. So a lot of times people say you sleep a certain way. I don't really particularly sleep a certain way, but it's like when I'm asleep, I know when my hair is smushed and when it's not. So mainly what I do most of the time whenever I'm in my bed, I have my satin pillow. Rewind. I have my satin pillow. That's very important because some of y'all still sleeping on cloth in 2019. It's almost 2020 and you sleeping on cloth. Why are you sleeping on cotton, sis? I'm asking you. Because it's kind of unacceptable at this point in our routine, in our journey. Okay, guys? Get you a satin pillowcase. That's so important. So satin pillowcase number 1. When you sleep, if you don't tie your hair up, you just so happen to fall to sleep, put your hair up like this and put the pillow right here, okay? So that way you're not sleeping on your hair like this and it won't be smushed when you get up in the morning. I feel like the main thing that ruins twist outs is the look of them after the next day or the next few days, because they look more shrunken, more smushed. I personally hate that look. I hate when my twist outs look smushed and shrunken, so that makes me want to like put in a bun or something. So make sure you have a satin pillowcase. Perfect, do that. Then whenever I sleep, what I most definitely do as well is I have usually I use this, and this is what I do to my hair at night. I would put it like this, and then I pull this up, and then just have it, I put it in the back like this. This is what I do at night. And then I'll tie my edges up and then go to bed. And I can sleep on my side without smushing my curls in the back. What's so important with this though is the placement of this scrunchie, okay? I personally would prefer to use a satin one that is not as It doesn't leave like a dent in my hair, because this one will leave a dent in your hair in the morning, which is why it's so important to not put it too close to the ends, because it'll have your hair going like this and then flop up at the ends like that. You still want to kind of put it to where when you take it out, it doesn't look too much of a flip like this, okay? If anyone does know of some super stretchy satin scrunchies, hit your girl up, please. Let me know in the comment section down below. Please hit me up, because sis needs them. Like, this is satin, and it will only stretches to here, and this ain't gonna fit over my head, so I need something bigger. The next thing what I will tell you guys is, if your hair is too short to put it all the way in the back like that, get 2 separate ones and split your hair into 2 right here, and put a scrunchie right here and a scrunchie right here. So it's kind of like pineappling, but pineappling low instead of high. I prefer to pineapple low, because whenever I pineapple high, my hair is not easy to fall back in place. I always have that stupid thing like this on each side, and it irks the crap out of me. Like, my hair does not fall how I want it, and then that makes you want to put it in a ponytail. So most definitely I prefer the low pineapples versus the high pineapples. If you are a high pineapple person, then I will suggest just putting your hair up in a pineapple if your hair falls down very easily. But I feel like a lot of times the issue with us thick girls is, wherever we place our hair for a long time, our hair is staying there. It's not falling back down. We don't have that kind of hair, sis, okay? I cannot put my hair up in a high ponytail, take it out, and it fall back down like this. Not this head. Not these coils, not these curls. No. We ain't doing that over here. Not this texture, okay? This ain't about to do that. So I most definitely prefer the low ponytails, because it does not move my hair in any opposite direction. So the next step. I know a lot of people don't like bonnets. I also do not like bonnets on my hair, because I feel like it smushes my hair at times. But whenever I do the scrunchie in the back, this one, I will put a bonnet on sometimes, because my hair is already in the back area, and whenever my hair gets shrunken, it usually shrinks on like the sides. If I put this bonnet on, it shrinks like around this area. But if I have it already in that back section, then I can put my bonnet on as well and then go to bed. This bonnet is a Isoken Enofe bonnet. I'll leave it in the description box. I bought this with my own coin. It's satin line inside, and it's a really big bonnet, so it's really one that fits all of my hair. Sis, if you don't have a bonnet that fits all of your hair without feeling like it's smushed, you need to get a bigger bonnet. Your hair is growing. So a bigger bonnet allows more space for your hair to move. And a smaller bonnet is going to smush those curls. You don't want smush curls, okay? You want your hair to be able to move and everything still being in that bonnet. Okay, so another thing that I do to preserve my twist outs, I don't pull my hair into a whole lot of styles during the week. So I don't try to do a top part up here, then the next day have it down, the next day pull this part to the back, half up, half down. I don't do that. I leave my hair like this. Or if I have a side part, I leave it like that. Let me tell you the reason why. Because as soon as you start manipulating your hair, your definition starts to decrease. And then you're on day 3 with no definition. And now you hate your hair, because all that movement of your hair created frizz, and now your hair is ruined. Okay, so I like to just keep my hair just like this, and you guys can see this is day 3 hair, and my curls are so defined still. Like, my curls are super defined. This is the result from that 3-strand twist out vlog that I did, so I'll link that up here. I like to put my hair through as less stress as possible. So I'd be good to it, it's good to me, sis. I also feel like a lot of times you guys don't see that elongated stay for your style, like how long you want your style to look right, because you don't use the right products to start your style. So I feel like a lot of times you guys get dry twist outs and twist outs that just aren't shiny, they look dull, and then you're like, oh, I hate my twist out, I only got 2 days out of it. In reality, the problem was the beginning of the process. The products that you put in your hair were not right. I know what products is going to give me long-lasting moisture. I know what products is going to take my hair to a 5-6 day twist out. I know what products is going to make my hair stay moisturized for 5 or 6 days. And for me, that is butters and creams. Gels do not do it for me when it comes for a twist out. Gels are not my friend. Gels a lot of times make your hair feel more, it takes a lot of that moisture out at times. Not all the times, but I'm saying if you're comparing a gel to a butter most definitely holds that moisture in more. It secures that moisture, especially if you seal it with an oil. If you're not taking the right steps to get your twist out, then you're not going to see that elongated result. And when I say elongated result, I mean in time and not in length. Okay, so if you are having those issues, then I suggest you watch my videos that I just created on the Twist Out 101 series. So part 1 and part 2, I explain in detail how to make sure you're getting the right product for your hair, and also what are the right steps to take to make sure your styles do last and your twist outs do last. Because twist outs was something that I had to master, sis. Like, I had to master this twist out. It was not something that came easy, and once I realized who my hair was, because this is a person, she lives, okay, who she was, what she liked, then hey, I was good. So a lot of it's in that first step. So yeah, that's really all I take to prolong my twist outs. I don't do no extravagant steps. It's really just paying attention to the greater detail. Sometimes we want to go overboard when in general, if we gave more attention to the smaller details, we will see a much greater result, okay? So make sure that you are following the steps that I did present in this video. Let me know if these helped you or not. I don't do anything extravagant, guys. I really just follow these simple steps and my hair thanks me in the long run. So make sure that you guys do like this video. Also comment below if any of these tips helped you. And once again, thank you guys so much for all the support that y'all have been showing me. I truly do appreciate it because I can see it, I feel it. I'm so happy that I got so much support from you guys right now. Please keep it going. If you're not subscribed to your girl's channel, smash that button down below for me, okay? And also turn the notifications on, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Stay warm, sis, because it's cold out here in the streets, okay? Bye.